Right, cruiser guys, these guys are on the bikes with the 24-inch wheels, just slightly bigger than the regular BMX, and it's Sean Boyle out there in front of the minute. Kenny Scullion's in there, Paul Crook on the inside, Russ Hanlon's in the mix as well. Oh, Hanlon nearly drops it. So that looks like Dave Lindsay on his way through as well. On the outside, oh my word, powered by Red Bull and vodka, but it's Sean Boyle heading down. Boyle is bloody as well. Oh, carnage! 3 riders down in a heap. Oh my word! Cruisers, the guys are go Paul Crook heading down that full straight towards that full straight. He's got the whole shot. Russ Hanlon in the mix as well, but he's blown his pedal. Now Kenny Scullion, look at that, late to the game, but not late out of it. He's in front of the board. Here comes Crook, looking for a way through. Crook, Scullion heading towards that turn. Dave Lindsay flapping about like a fish out of water in the back. Scullion, Crook, who's going to get it? Look at the bounce to the line. Oh, it was so close. Russ Hanlon, Sky Beagley 3 and 4. Right, cruisers, Paul Crook looking like he got a decent start. Sky Beagley on the inside, the elbows are flying. Scullion, Hanlon, the 3-play. Who's that? Not seen him yet. It's the 13, Swanson looking for a way through. Dave Lindsay in the mix as well. So, Crook, Beagley, 1 and 2. Crookie heading down that final straight. He's only got to keep it upright. That's not going to be an easy thing. Beagley with a late charge.